Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this character, which I then animated with Procreate Dreams. Let's get started. I always start with a pencil sketch on paper first, but that's just a personal preference. When you design a character, it helps to have some basic shapes in order to get a feeling of how you want the proportions to look like. Then I transferred the sketch into Procreate and started cleaning up those lines and adding some details. Here I go trying to give her a face. I drew some reference lines just to give me a general idea where the eyes should go, and you can see me draw it a couple of times until I'm satisfied. Now onto the coloring process. To get this right, I darkened my background color to better assess the overall composition and contrast. I first colored the character in black and white gradients only in order to focus on values and contrast before I started using colors. I decided to use green as the main color and add red as a little contrast for her scarf, but you can see me experimenting here a little bit. You might also end up changing some colors when you put your character into a scene later on. I decided to change her hair color to blonde, for example, because I needed it to stand out in front of a dark background. After finding the basic color scheme, I add some shadows and highlights. In the scene, I wanted her to kneel on the ground, so I tried to sketch her in different positions, using straight lines as guidelines for the proportions. I also changed her braid into a high ponytail because I wanted to make her silhouette more recognizable. Then I gave her some color again and could finally set her into a scene, which also took some time because I didn't really know how I wanted it to look in the beginning. I also wanted to challenge myself by using light, which is why I gave her a headlamp. I doubled her silhouette, colored it in blue and multiplied it to give her some night shadows, and then erased all the parts where the light from her headlamp should fall. I don't know if that's physically correct, but it's close enough. I ended up drawing an ocean and putting some sharp mountains in the background, adding some sunrise colors, giving her an actual ground to kneel on, and that's basically it. Now there's only the animation part left and we have a finished project. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!